Hello and welcome to MSTV. I'm Neha Chauhan and today I'm here with the Director Academics, Himani Chaudhary ma'am. We welcome you ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So ma'am, as day one of orientation has started and students has come and they have already had gone through the one session. So how are you excited to meet them, interact with them?
Oh, it has been a wonderful start to the orientation program. This time we are doing it cluster wise because we are growing, the numbers are growing, and we have added one more school to our, campus. So we thought, why not do it a little differently? And we are focusing on making it cluster wise in terms of combining the schools. And the first session went very, it was very interesting. The
Right.
students were quite intrigued. We also have introduced a concept of culture at AFT that we want to derive, not just for their academic learning, but also excellence in their performance and other activities.
Right. So what are your expectations or your vision with the students who are joining as an orientation and joining this college?
So since we are all the schools here are based on the creative pursuit and creative education, we want them to have a lot of hands-on learning. We also want them to understand the nuances of learning by doing.
Right.
And that's what we are integrating in every semester, in every subject, that that's the only expectation, that you have to be on campus and do everything on your own, start from the basics and move on.
Okay, and for those students who wanted to join AFT, so what type of opportunities and the exposure they will get?
In terms of opportunities, the opportunity has just begun with the kind of guests that we have called for the orientation. They have, we have opened the door already to the industry right in front of them from day one. We have our guests who are coming from, who are domain specialized people, who have done wonders, whether
Right.
it's data science, animation, digital marketing, fashion. So the guests are aligned in a way that they'll give the right insights of industry. So the expectation the students would have would be that we want that exposure, and that's exactly what we are trying to give them, the right exposure and the right vibe.
Right. And what's your vision? Like the slogan is right time and right tribe. So what's the expectations or what are the vision of the teachers towards the students?
So what the vision that we are having is that this is the time to sort of metamorphosize, in the sense that from a cocoon a butterfly comes out, and we want to give them those wings,
Right.
that they have those wings and now they have to fly. And that's the vision we create. We support them in that vision. And basically what we want is that if they're learning by doing, they understand, and when they understand, they do well.
Right.
Whether it's right and wrong, it's immaterial. What we would like them to have is the concept has to go, and the concept of starting is what they should really believe in.
And being in director, so what type of roles and responsibilities you gonna face and facing a new batches?
Oh wow, from classrooms to allocation of duties to faculty management. As a director, the overall campus management lies on you. Of course, academics is the key component, but we also want to give the right infrastructure, the right classroom,
True.
the right tech support, the right ERP support, so that the student is given this all-round conducive environment to perform. So as I mentioned earlier, the only thing that we are looking at is performance of a child, and other support as a director is what is our duty. And every day we ensure that there is something or the other exciting happening on the campus, so that they feel that energy, that enthusiasm to come to campus.
True. At last, any message you want to give to the students who are joining on that as the day one of orientation has begun, their career and their journey has already begun. So what message you wanted to give them?
Oh, the message that I want to give them is that be there, you are the tribe, you are our tribe, and we are there for you. So go rock and just challenge and push every limit that you have set for yourself. There is no limit to learning, there's no limit to growing. The more you learn, the more you grow, the more opportunities open up in front of you.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving
Most
such
welcome.
insights of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Most welcome.